Welcome back. Now, since we already have a domain name at GoDaddy, what we'll need to do is we'll need to set up DNS management through Route 53. So what we'll need to do is to come back to the Route 53 homepage. We'll need to click Get Started Now under DNS Management. What we'll need to do then is click Create Hosted Zone. Then what we'll need to do is to click Create Hosted Zone. We'll then need to write in our domain name. Once we do that, we'll then need to click Create. When we do that, we're going to have the names of 4 name servers. And what we'll need to do is we'll need to place these name servers inside of GoDaddy. So what we'll need to do inside of GoDaddy is to click Change. We'll need to change our name server type. And then we'll need to enter the 4 name servers from Route 53. Once we have the name servers in, we'll then click Save. Now it's said that the name servers will take at least 48 hours to propagate, so you may need to have some time before you'll see that your domain will be directing to the content in your Amazon S3 account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.